Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of OnPay Payroll. So let's get started. OnPay Payroll is a full-service payroll and tax management solution. It helps businesses calculate wages, file taxes, and manage benefits easily. The platform is intuitive, automated, and designed for small and mid-sized businesses. Everything runs smoothly, from payroll calculations to compliance. The best part is the quick and accurate payroll processing. You enter hours, review details, and submit payments, all in a few clicks. This is great because it saves time and reduces errors. Another advantage is automated tax calculations and filings. OnPay handles federal, state, and local taxes, plus forms like 941, W2S, and 1099S. The best part is, this keeps your business compliant and avoids costly penalties. Flexible payment options are another plus. You can pay via direct deposit, paper checks, or pay cards. This is great because employees get paid securely on time every time. The employee self-service portal is another win. Employees can view pay stubs, update details, and access tax forms anytime. This reduces HR questions and saves administrative time. OnPay also manages benefits and workers' compensation. It integrates with providers, automates deductions, and ensures compliance. This is great for offering competitive benefits without the hassle. Finally, OnPay integrates with accounting tools and provides transparent pricing. This is great because it keeps financials in sync and avoids hidden costs. One limitation is that small businesses new to payroll may need a short learning period to explore all features. Another drawback is that while OnPay is comprehensive, very large enterprises may need more advanced reporting or customizations. Some users may find certain industry-specific tools require setup before they fully work for specialized business needs. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.